Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Once you are back at the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on home screen. Now we go down and tap on lock home screen layout. Once you turn on lock home screen layout, then all the items on your screen will be locked and you will not be able to move them or reposition them to another location. And that's it. And if you want to undo that, if you want to start to be able to move items around, you can go in here and switch off lock home screen layout. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.